Do you ever wonder how the ancient Romans would tell time throughout the day? In order to express time, Latin uses several different forms, depending on the type of the time expression which needs to be described. The most common is referred to as time when, or within which, and in Latin this is called the ablativus temporis, because it describes the time when or within which an action occurred. For this particular expression, Latin uses the simple ablative case, without a preposition, while English uses a prepositional phrase introduced by the preposition in, on, at, within. But with specific times of life, Latin could also use the preposition in, as with in adolescentia, meaning during youth, as well as when describing a particular office, as with in consulatu, meaning during the consulship of. Let's see a few examples. So, when did a particular event occur? Perhaps at a certain time of day or time of year. Solis occasu. Mane. Primo vespere. A estate. Or perhaps at some other specific time. Paucis oris id faciet. Brevi tempore epistulam scripsi. Sexto anno urbem deleverunt. Eodem die venerunt cum mille viris. If, however, we need to express the duration of time for a particular action, for how long, then Latin uses the simple accusative, or sometimes the accusative preceded by the preposition per. When the use of preposition is chosen, this is usually placed between the adjective and the noun. Quinque annos pugnaverunt. Multas per horas dormivimus. In insula multos menses manserunt. Duos dies ruri requievit. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.